Hey guys, it's Bethany at Kelly Blair DDS. A lot of people ask us how often they should be seeing the dentist just for checkups and cleanings. And my answer to those people is usually it depends for each person. We all have different needs. Some people need to be seen a little more often, but generally speaking, we recommend what the American Dental Association recommends, and that is every 6 months you should get at least a checkup and a cleaning. Some of our patients have been diagnosed with periodontal disease or have had extensive cosmetic work done, and for those individuals we do recommend that we see them on more of a 3 or 4 month basis, and that's just so that we can check on their gums and maintain their porcelain work and make sure that everything looks and feels the way that it's supposed to. Some things that you can do in between those visits is using an electric toothbrush. I'm a huge fan of the Sonicare electric toothbrush, flossing every day, and cleaning your tongue. You can use either your toothbrush or a tongue scraper. Either one of those will work really well, but if you're doing the combination of those 3 things, it will do a lot for you and will really help to maintain everything in between your dental appointments. But if you have any other questions about that kind of thing, just stop by the office and ask us or call. We'd be happy to help you with whatever your needs are. Have a great day.
I've been sending up prayers, I need feedback.